Preventing mosquito bite. Triadeid dose of vitamin B1. Research study suggest that vitamin may change your skin, which will make you less attractive to mosquito. Eliminate standing water around your home so that mosquito have nowhere to leg. Unclog your gutter, change the water in wedding pool or bird baths and store container upside down so that they don't collect water. Also, don't leave tear laying around in your yard. Repair all opening in your windows or door screen. Usant insectes repellants. Jette à repellante à contender, picaridin orlement eucalyptusol. Citronella candlema also offer some protection from mosquito. Wear protective clothing when you go outdoor. Put on long sleeve, long pants en sock. Also, wear a wide brimmed hat or a baseball cap with a fold-out neck flap. Wear mosquito net over your face. You can also drape infants and stroll with mosquito net to protect children from bite. Making mosquito repellents at home. Make an ambi mosquito repel. For an ambi mosquito repel ta similar to a mosquito lan or candle, gâté jeté en anti-tank en with lead, en une usée de dish sponge, en honorant i combination of the following essential oil, lavande, pennyroyal, eucalyptus, citronella, peppermint, or lemongrass. Saturate the sponge in honorant i combination of the essential oil. Place the sponge in tank close, en laissant for 24 hours. Use tambi repel be opening the lid of the can en letting the essential oil waft out from the can. Make a mosquito spray with natural oil en vinegar. Ti a very basic recipe tant you can expand en elaborate. Ti recipe cal for eucalyptusol, buffel free to usant i combination of all listed above for proven relief. Un to a spray bottle, mix to jeté. Un 2 cup with chazel. Un 2 cup apple cider vinegar. 30-50 drop of essential oil. Osant i combination of citronella, clove, lemongrass, rosemary, tetré, cajeput, eucalyptus, cedar, catnip, lavande, ormiande. Chaque ingrédient jeté en spray over on covered portion of your body. Avoir jetting repel in your mouth. Make a mosquito repel from dry or fresh herb. Ti reci plus boilet d'herbe en with chazel à base. It effective because insect, particularly flea, dislike the strong smell associated with the herb. Bring 1 cup of water to boil and add to it 3-4 tablespoons of an i combination of dry peppermint, spearmint, citronella, lemongrass, catnip, lavande, or clove. Covepo. After 2 minutes, remove po from tellement en, leaving the cover on, l'air reste until lukewarm. Strain water into un 2 cup with chazel, or rubbing alcohol, en store in a spray bottle in your refrigerator. Usons skin anaided. Rub lavande or diluted lavandeol on skin. Lavande I a natural flea repel, en I even grea repelling your cat or dog flea. Do balit tle lavandeol diluted with a carriol onto your wrist or on exposed area anaided. Rub miantol or member of the miant family directly on skin. Mianti a noté natural flea repel, en itata classique, soit miant fragrance en. Peppermint, spearmint, catnip, pennyroyal are fantastic à chouin away une vente flea en keeping you smelling grea. Rue basil or basilol directly on skin. Basili a noté strong smelling erta flea generally dislike, en basili especially helpful against moth. Rue garlic directly on to skin. Tioni a lit less popular, but only because garlic leave a very distinct smell. But if you're absolutely away en you only have garlic to use a repel, reste assure ta a lit le bit of garlic rubbed on open skin.